The sun feels familiar. It rises every morning. It sets every evening. It feels constant, predictable, and safe. But this feeling is an illusion. The sun is one of the most extreme, violent, and mysterious objects in our universe. And everything you know, time, life, motion, and even your own body, is quietly shaped by it. Let's begin with time. When sunlight reaches your eyes, it is already 8 minutes and 20 seconds old. That means you never see the sun as it is now, only as it was in the past. But that's just the beginning. Inside the sun, light is trapped. A photon created in the sun's core does not escape immediately. It collides with atoms again and again, changing direction endlessly. This journey can take 10,000 to 100,000 years. So the energy warming your skin today may have been born before human civilization existed. The sun you see is ancient. Now let's go deeper. The sun does not burn like fire. There is no oxygen. There are no flames. Instead, the sun survives through nuclear fusion. At its core, temperatures reach 15 million degrees Celsius. Hydrogen atoms are crushed together so violently that they fuse into helium, releasing enormous energy. Every second, the sun converts 4 million tons of mass directly into energy. This is not destruction. This is creation at the most fundamental level. And yet, the sun is not solid. If you could somehow stand on the sun, which is impossible, you wouldn't land on a surface. You would sink. The sun is plasma, a superheated state of matter where electrons are ripped from atoms. It behaves like a liquid, a gas, and electricity at the same time. Now here is something truly strange. The sun has layers, but not like Earth. The core creates energy. Above it, energy struggles outward. Then suddenly, the energy boils, forming massive convection cells larger than entire continents. These cells rise and fall, constantly reshaping the sun's surface. That surface, the photosphere, looks calm from far away. But zoom in, and it is violent. Dark spots appear. These sunspots are cooler regions, but cool still means about 4,000 degrees Celsius. Sunspots are also magnetic scars. The sun's magnetic field twists, stretches, and snaps. When it snaps, the sun explodes. Solar flares erupt with more energy than billions of nuclear bombs combined. Some eject giant clouds of charged particles called coronal mass ejections. If these clouds hit Earth, they can destroy satellites, disable GPS, shut down power grids, disrupt radio communication. In 1859, a solar storm was so strong that telegraph wires caught fire. Today, a similar storm could collapse modern technology. And yet, we depend on this chaos. Without solar wind, Earth's atmosphere would slowly be stripped away. Without the sun's gravity, Earth would drift into frozen darkness. But here is a shocking fact. The sun is not stationary. It is traveling through the Milky Way at 230 kilometers per second, dragging every planet with it. You are not standing still. You are moving through space at incredible speed, right now. The sun also controls time itself. Einstein proved that massive objects slow time. Because the sun is so massive, time passes slightly slower near it. GPS satellites must correct for this distortion, or navigation systems would fail. So yes, the sun affects your phone. Now let's talk about color. The sun is not yellow. It is white. The yellow color you see is caused by Earth's atmosphere scattering blue light. From space, the sun shines pure white. Even sunsets are illusions. Red skies are not painted by the sun, but by the air between you and it. The sun also produces sound. Pressure waves ripple through its interior, causing constant vibrations. Scientists call this helioseismology. By studying these vibrations, we can see inside the sun, like an ultrasound of a star. The sun has a heartbeat. But it is not eternal. Right now, the sun is middle age. In about 5 billion years, it will begin to die. Hydrogen will run out. The core will collapse. The outer layers will expand. The sun will become a red giant, swallowing Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. Before that happens, oceans will evaporate. Life will vanish. But this death is not the end. The sun will shed its outer layers, forming a glowing nebula. Its core will become a white dwarf, a dense cosmic ember. And from that dust, new stars will one day be born. Here is the most important truth. The elements inside your body, carbon, oxygen, calcium, were created inside stars. You are not separate from the universe. You are made of stellar material. The sun is not just a star. It is your ancestor. Every sunrise is a reminder that you exist because nuclear reactions began in a glowing sphere of plasma billions of years ago. The sun is not ordinary. It is power. It is time. It is memory. And without it, there is nothing.